How to add ROBLOX gift card codes on Xbox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to redeem a ROBLOX gift card to use it on Xbox. It's quick, simple, and by the end, you know exactly how to turn your gift card into Robux or Premium on your console. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a browser. First, grab your phone, tablet, or computer. Open any browser and go to roblox.com, redeem. Step 2. Log into your Roblox account. Now, log into the same Roblox account that you use on your Xbox. Step 3. Enter your gift card code. Once you're logged in, type the 16-digit card code exactly as shown. Then, click on the redeem button. Step 4. Confirm the credit. If the code works, you will see a success message, and the credit will be added to your account. Step 5. Use your credit for Robux or Premium. To use your credit, go to the Robux page or the Premium membership page. Choose what you want and confirm the purchase using your new credit. Step 6. Now go to your Xbox. Next, go to your Xbox and open the ROBLOX app. Make sure you're logged in with the same account, and your Robux or Premium will be there, ready to use. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to redeem your Roblox gift card to use it on your Xbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.